In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock the Birthright in Isaac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Birthright is an unlockable passive item that grants a passive ability that varies from character to character. So depending on which character you pick this item as, you are going to have different effects, and usually they will always match a character's gimmick. So the unlock method for the Birthright is going to be by defeating Blue Baby, so the boss of the chest, as Jacob and Esau. So in order to unlock Birthright, you must defeat Blue Baby, which is known as the triple question mark boss, as Jacob and Esau. If you still need to unlock Jacob and Esau, then you can do this by defeating Mother. Mother is going to be the boss if you take the alternate route. So whenever you defeat the boss of the basement, you will see a locked door, and if you go through that path, you will essentially take the alternative path towards the final boss. So Jacob and Esau and Mother are only going to be available if you own Repentance as a DLC. If you do, then you will be able to play as Jacob and Esau to unlock the Birthright item. And like I said before, you must defeat Mother. So go through the alternative path. Whenever you kill the boss on the basement, use a key to unlock the door, go down into the alternative stages, and keep going until you reach Mother. If you defeat Mother as Jacob and Esau, you will have the Birthright unlock appear on your screen. So this is how you will be able to get that item and use it as any character. Like I've said before, this item is going to adapt to whichever character you are playing, so it is extremely useful. Now, before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.